Hi, good morning guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be installing some LED headlight bulbs from Auxbeam in the Jimny. These are the GX series LED headlight bulbs and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to pick up one of these yourself. So let's get to the install.
First thing you do, open the bottom. Second thing you do is unplug the bulb. Third thing you do is you remove the rubber grommets. The fourth thing you do is you unclip the pin and remove the bulb. Now that we have removed the OEM bulb from the headlight, we will start the installation process by removing the lock ring from the Auxbeam LED bulb and installing it onto the headlight. And then we lock it with the clip. Now that we have the lock ring in place on the headlight, we will reinstall back the rubber boots for the headlights. So now we can install the new Auxbeam LED bulb into the headlights. And jack in into the original harness. That's it basically.
In real time it took us about 2 minutes to install one of the LED bulbs. It's a super easy installation that anyone can do. It's also CAN bus ready, error free, meaning it's compatible with 99% of vehicles without error. When it comes to performance, here you can see both low beams and high beam of the stock halogen bulb. It's not very bright when compared to the Auxbeam LED bulbs. According to Auxbeam, the LEDs are 650% brighter than stock halogen bulbs. They shoot a lot further and wider, giving you better visibility for ease of driving at night. Here you can see a comparison of how it looks when driving at night. The Auxbeam LEDs undeniably outperforms the stock halogen bulbs, and I would highly recommend picking up a set for yourself. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, leave some good vibes in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.